Hi everyone, so now we will be going through the inventory balance. So as you know, inventory balance is a function to display your current inventory status for each product. So these are our each product. You can actually search by locations, or you can just key in the search keyword in the search box. So storage location here is to display by individual storage location and also the total quantity stock that you have. So on hand, meaning to say that your current balance quantity in each storage location. So for example, for this item bolognese pasta, in main storage location on hand I have 45 quantity, but in GPO storage location I have 20 quantity. So total of on hand I have is 65. So the next one is reserve. Reserve quantity refer to the product that has been confirmed in sales order but have yet to deliver to customer. So customer already made purchase from web store, made a payment from web store, but product is not delivered to them yet. And incoming quantity refer to the stock which is added in purchase order but have not been received from the inventory. So available quantity is referred to the on hand quantity. So it refers to the free quantity which is available to sold. So if let's say you have on hand quantity 1, available quantity will be 1. So you have 1 quantity that is available to sell to your customer. And average cost display the average unit cost for each inventory on hand based on the purchase price during inventory received. So this is how the inventory balances work.